Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this Volvo S40 2-liter petrol. This is an automatic 1998. Just gonna show you the location of the air filter. So basically if you get the bonnet open and you go to the right hand side here, and always obviously have a coffee at hand. Coffee at bay keeps the doctor away, or something like that. So our filter is here. If we just open these clips, so we have those 3 clips there, and then obviously one more here. If you open those 4 clips, and actually we can just take these hoses out here because they tend to pull a little bit on the box. So just remember which one goes where. This one goes at the top, this one is at the bottom. Now I can lift this cover up, and that's where your filter is. Well, that filter is not too bad, and this is a MAN filter C3594. So you just fit it back in there. If you find that that box in there is really dirty, you could clean it, maybe hoover it out or blow it out, and then you get your new filter, put it in there. Oops, this is flying away. Right, okay, your filter nicely fitting in there, and then you can close the box. Obviously don't forget your hoses. Push them back in there, and then you have your clips. These clips, the way to put them back in is if you press in the middle here, then they go up. If you try to pull them from up here, it's a little bit harder, so it's best to press them in the center, and then they go in quite easily. And well, and this other one as well. For these ones you can use something to help you get it back in. So you could use something to press on the center there. That will bring the clip up. There we go. And then this one shouldn't be too bad. All right, that's pretty much it. So hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and check out the link below. I have some merchandise up for grabs.